how to apply for Revolut card. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, just have to open and launch your Revolut application. And of course, you have to make sure that this one is up to date or you're using the latest version of this application. Now, what you want to do here is to log into your account. So you have to type your email address and your password, and this is what it looks like. So here we have options such as accounts, card, and this is your home. So you just have to simply tap cards here, or you can tap this hub at the bottom right corner. Either ways, you will see this get card with the options below disposable virtual card and virtual. So if you tap this get card, it will take you directly to this where you can see this cards, packets, 18 and links. So all you have to do is to click this card. Now you can pick your card, so you can choose between physical debit card or virtual debit card. So let's just say you want physical debit card and you will see here get standard for free. So all you have to do is to tap this one to get this card for free. So once you tap this, you will see other options such as, you can also customize this card if you want to. You can get lavender for free. You have different colors here if you want. So we have black, gray, pink, we have here blue, lavender, and so on. So what you want to do is simply tap and select the right or suitable color or physical card for you. Okay, so you can also customize your card. You can simply type your name here. You can add some icons. If you see below, there are different icons here. So all you have to do is to select from any to add to your physical card, or you can skip if you want to. So once you're done with this, then you can now proceed with creating your PIN. So you have to set PIN for your Revolut card here. Everything is up to you. Now, once done, you just have to click this button down here at the bottom right corner. And then after that, you can now set your delivery address. So you have to be careful when it comes to your delivery address because, of course, they will send your card to the specific delivery address. Once done, confirm your delivery address. And all you have to do is to wait for your physical card to arrive at your home. So that's how easy it is to apply for Revolut card. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.